building, and we are very happy to be here and to have you here. It is a green building. It is when we actually built it, it was one of 9 silver LEED buildings in the city. Our purpose for that lends us into tonight's presentation. Our reason for doing a green building was not just environmentally friendly, but it was for health reasons. That we serve here very vulnerable populations. We serve our youngest children starting at age 2 and going up to age 13. We have an adult day center which services the elderly, those who cannot be at home alone, but need to be a place where they are safe, where they're secure, and where they have fun. And that is what we try to provide for them every day. But we also wanted to make sure that where they were was a healthy place. And so we did a green building to make sure that we have enough sunlight for them, so that their spirits are healed, that we have good air for them, and that we have a good community that builds together and mixes the generations, because each of us blends together, and to give each of us a good spiritual lift, to give each of us a good laugh sometimes when we see the young ones and the old ones. To see them engaged together is a gift for all of us. It is truly why we feel we are here together. And so we welcome you to our center. And as we begin all things here at Mercy, we'd like to take a moment to pray that we are in the very presence of our God, each and every one of us, that we know that God is within us, God is beside us in each person, and that it is God's call to each of us to care for each other, to lend a hand to each other, and to trust Him through all the good and the bad times. So we ask His blessing on our meeting tonight, that our hearts and our minds will be open to all that God wants us to hear and to share about the best ways in which we can help this neighborhood transform itself, to help it to grow, and to help it to do that by our sharing and our caring for each other. And we ask all of this in the